I really like to work with fresh ingredients because it is so easy to turn them into delectable dishes. And today I'm thinking 2 salads. One with a rich and creamy vinaigrette and the other with something a little more delicate. Sprouts are a really fun way to add extra flavor to your dishes. So today I picked up some sunflower. Those are gonna add some nuttiness to my salad. And I also found some pea shoots. They're really bright and fresh. And, ooh, the radish sprout. It's a bit more on the spicy side. Moving ahead with my vegetables, I'm gonna go with some ribbons. Ribbons are a really great way to add crispness to your salad. Don't those colors just pop? Start with some sunflower oil. I think that's quite poetic. There's sunflower sprouts in the salad, sort of beginning of life. For zing, red wine vinegar. You can really play around with vinaigrettes, so casual and fun. I'm gonna use a little Dijon mustard for some extra bite to it. It's gonna really play off of those radish sprouts. And shallot. That's gonna give a really nice base to our salad. And shallots are nice to use raw because they're not quite as pungent as garlic or onion. Well, that was pretty simple. Quick whisk. Now that mustard is actually gonna help emulsify and bring the oil and vinegar together really easily. Really light, but with all the flavors going on in this salad, it's all I need. And just to add a little extra nuttiness, I'm gonna add some toasted pine nuts. These ribbons are so much fun. There is so much flavor going on in this salad. Crispy texture, crunchy sprouts, bright, bursting with flavor. This salad is wonderfully balanced.